Do you have time to do a really quick trivia game? If you win, you get 50 bucks.
Really?
All right, everyone, settle down. You know, we're about to hit 20,000 on YouTube, so things are getting pretty crazy. Everyone's, you know, crowding around my house. You know, wanted to say what's up to me. It's pretty overwhelming. I'm gonna do a little day in the life vlog style video today. Let's get into it. We're gonna be taking out poop car around town today. This is my, for those of you who don't know, we're coming for the first time, welcome. This is my hybrid turbo, wide body, 3-piece wheel, gutted interior, 2015 Fiesta ST. Thing's super fun, it's a ride to drive, so I'll be showing you guys what it's like to daily this thing. Hopefully we can get it on the track soon, but anyways, let's get into it. A little cold start for you guys. Oh, she's gonna be cold. The thing I love most about this car is that both front tires are leaking air rapidly, so I have to fill them up with air every single morning. Always got to set up your anxiety port first thing before you drive, so you can feel like something is always going to break down at every moment. Today we got to go pick up some 85 from my buddy at Case House Performance. We got to go pick that up, but first we got to run this tank out. So we're going to drive around a little bit, do some POV driving. I'm going to grab some food. We're going to dial our tune in, and I'll show you guys how much faster this car feels. So stick along for the ride. If you're watching right now, thank you so much. I appreciate your support. We're about to hit 20K. I don't know if I hit it already as this video is coming out, but if I didn't, I'm super close. I'm excited. The end of this year is coming, and it was an awesome year. Super stoked. So much support, and I can't wait to do more awesome videos to help out the community. You know, just have some fun doing what I love doing. So appreciate everyone's support so far. It means the world. Oh my. Chick-fil-A because it's a little bit farther from my house, and I need to burn some fuel. We're gonna go get some chicken nuggies. It's gonna be a good day. Oh, a little Volkswagen. Let's go. Oh, it's crazy loud. Sissied out, dang it. Alright, let's see how dangerously long this Chick-fil-A line is. No, I have to go this way. I'll do a number 3, 12 count.
Have a good one.
Cool, thanks man, you too. What's up, man?
Nothing much.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Good. What was your name for the order?
Seth.
Seth? I'm just gonna pull right up to that car and I'll bring it to you when it's ready.
Okay,
right?
sounds good.
Seth, I have it for you.
Cool, that's me.
Of course.
Thanks, bro. Hey, do you have time to do a really quick trivia game?
Sure.
If you win, it'll be like a minute. If you win, you get 50 bucks.
Really?
Yep.
All right.
You ready?
Yeah.
What is the car manufacturer that features a bull as their logo?
Lamborghini.
That's it.
Let's go.
That's
Wait,
it. You win.
bucks?
50 bucks. Dude, what's your Cash App?
I don't have Cash App.
What's your Venmo? All right, I'm gonna pull in here. I'm gonna send it to you, and I'll tell you when it's sent.
Let's go.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. I heard him go. I just won 50 bucks. 50 bucks for trivia. I'm gonna click pay. Payment is on its way.
Let's go.
You just got it.
Thanks, man.
50 bucks, bro.
Thank you.
You'll see the video on Simple Builds right there on on YouTube. Can I use that for the channel?
Yeah.
Cool. Thanks, bro.
Thank you.
Take care.
Take care. Happy holidays.
Thank you. Anthony, congrats, dude. 50 bucks to you. I had that sitting for a little while, and I forgot to mention that that's from your guys' donations on TikTok. So shout out to you guys for hooking up Anthony. Anthony, when you see this, that's from my TikTok supporters and followers, people that want to make a difference. You know, all added up to 50 bucks. And if you guys want to see more of these, let me know. I can do more. They're super fun, and I'll make them on TikTok, and you know, I can post them on here on TikTok. I can, you know, post them anywhere that you guys follow me. So I really like doing stuff like that for people. It's a lot of fun, and I want to do bigger and better ones too. So let me know if you guys want to see more of those, because you know, it's cool to make people's day, and who knows how far that 50 bucks could go for Anthony. He's working hard. He's out in the cold at Chick-fil-A. If anyone deserves it, it's a Chick-fil-A employee. Those guys really bust their butts, and they're always super nice. Let's eat this food, and we're gonna head back towards our area, try to burn some more gas. Maybe we'll pick up the E85, and let's see how loud these pops are next to these buildings. It's gonna be so ridiculously loud. Oh man, I don't know, should I do it? It's like people outside. It's like old guys walking right there. He's gonna be mad at me. Oh, there's like a dude walking across the street. Oh, that's wrong. That's wrong. That dude definitely just broke his neck. That is wrong. I shouldn't have done that. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna chow down, enjoy my food, and I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Alright guys. And only one little pop. Guys, there's a super clean E46 M3 right here. Look at, let's see if I can catch it. Oh, look at that thing. So clean. Oh god. So clean. Oh my god, so clean. I just went from first to fourth because I was looking at that M3. Santa Claus is looking at me. He said, what the? What's on that dude's head? Whoa! Wow! You. Oh yeah. Work's going down now, huh? Look at this view. A little VR4 action for you guys. Where's the Mitsubishi fans? This is the 5-gallon. This is the Case House headquarters. Looking pretty sick. So they're stocked up, ready to go for you guys. Look at all this. We got Ignite Red, 114, and then 85. And then this stuff is E98. So they got your 98, 85, 114. Let's hit them up. Let's get this one. All right, bro.
All right.
Have fun.
Yeah.
Thanks. See you later. They do a bunch of turbo stuff, high horsepower stuff, LS stuff, and you got your 85 and a gallon, because closest one to me is like an hour away, so I'm not doing that. So I'm gonna professionally secure that in there so it doesn't explode on me. Let's get back on the road. heavier. A slow staying. That guy was awesome. So before we go and drain out the rest of our 93, driving around and fill up with our E30 tune, we're gonna go check out a quick project. My buddy wants to see if we can help him put his wide body on. What up, dog? What up, dude?
What's up?
Say what's up to the vlog.
Oh, what's up? What's up?
370Z going wide body.
Definitely will.
You know?
I know he's got a wide body Subi.
Oh, really? Take this access port. I'm gonna run to the office. We're gonna load the new tune onto here, and we're gonna fill up this can. So I'm excited. Let's go get the tune loaded up. All right, guys, we're in the lab, cooking up something for the tune. Done. Let's check this out and get the E85 ready. Look what I just found. This is so exciting. I don't ever see these. A baby ST. Look at it, it's so cute. Look at this ugly monster. Oh my god. Oh, Civic hatch. Squad now. Civic hatch in the front, Evo 10 in the back. Oh man, I can smell that Civic. And now I blow my eardrums out. You know how it goes. Let's get this gas filled up, 3 gallons of 85 and then the rest of 93. You know the deal, I gotta fill up 3 gallons of this stuff first and I'll get you. We will see. Okay, so it's loading up the new tune. And that should be good. Flash. All right, we're on our closed course. On our track, we're gonna do 3 data logs in 3rd gear at 2,500 RPM. There we go. It's good. So the numbers are better. I'm pushing 273, almost 275 horse. Brakes are of course squeaking like crazy. They're mad annoying, need to upgrade. And my torque is like 305, so that's weird. It doesn't feel any faster. I mean, of course the torque is gonna be better. It's gonna feel better at the lower RPM range. And I think all around it'll be better, but it just doesn't feel as punchy in 3rd gear. Maybe I'm just used to it, I don't know. Feels good. but you know, hopefully we can get one more revision and get a little closer to that 300 horsepower number like I'm hoping for. Okay, but it does feel so much better in a second gear pull, so I'm gonna do that for you guys right now on my favorite on ramp. Go. Whoa, holy crap. So much faster with it. Second gear start. Oh my god. Third gear is so slow. Man, I couldn't hook at all. I couldn't hook whatsoever. I need better tires. This thing is like a monster. Third gear was so underwhelming, but if you start in, oh man, second gear is just absolutely nuts. Let's do one more. A good day. We did a lot, so thanks for tuning in. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these. If it was boring, honestly, just give me some honest feedback. I'd love it, and you know, I just want to keep making better videos for you guys. 20K is just around the corner at the time I'm filming this. I'm super excited. It's been a wild ride so far, honestly. I mean, it's nothing insane, but like from a year, almost a year and a half ago, with 0 people watching my channel to now 20,000. Like, that's crazy. 20,000 actual people of you guys that are actually choosing to watch my stuff. That is like, wow, that's huge. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. Like always, I'll see you next time.